Hello, my name is Darren Irons, Global Product Manager for the Precision Roll Group, a division of Maxcess International. Today I wanted to show you some of the Componex idler rolls. And so what we're going to do is we have a drive roll that is going to set the line speed, and we have different idler rolls across the top. And on here, the first few have the WINtrack coatings from Componex. So we have the WINtrack ST, we have the WINtrack 2. Both of those are smooth rolls. We also have a smooth roll for the WINtrack 40. And then we have a bare aluminum roll with the air vent from Componex. Then we have just a normal spiral groove. Then we have an air vent with the WINtrack 5. Finally, we have a hard coat with a smooth aluminum roll and just a plain aluminum roll. And what we're trying to do here is show how the web will slip across the different rolls based on the traction that you receive. So as we set this line speed and we turn it around to 200 feet per minute, if you look at this, all of the rolls are basically at the same line speed. The WINtrack coatings are all at the 200 feet per minute. The bare aluminum roll with the air vent from Componex is also at 200 feet per minute. The spiral groove, the hard coat, anodized, and the bare aluminum roll. So as we speed this on up to like 400 feet per minute, when you look at this, the Componex coatings are all hanging in there right at that 400 feet per minute. You have the bare aluminum air vent version that is right at the 400 feet per minute. Spiral groove is hanging in there. The hard coat is right there at the same speed, as well as if you start seeing the bare aluminum, it is starting to slip. Now if we turn this on up to 600 feet per minute, now you're starting to see some of the advantage of using the WINtrack coatings or the air vent version. The spiral groove is starting to slip some. And then the hard coat, anodized, you have major slipping, and the bare aluminum. To drive this home, we speed this on up to 800 feet per minute. At 800 feet per minute, all the WINtrack coatings are hanging in there right at the 800 feet per minute. The bare aluminum with the air vent is right there at the 800 feet per minute. Now you're starting to see the spiral groove starting to slip. You have the hard coat anodized slipping even more, and the bare roll with no coatings on it, the smooth roll, it is slipping the most. So in summary, what we're trying to do is show the benefits of the WINtrack coating or the WINtrack air vent. Having that compared with the spiral groove or hard coat anodized.